my name is Maylene. I am going to receive this box. Let's go ahead and open it. So we have some screwdrivers and some these. Ooh, I don't know what this is called, but I'm sure it's pretty. Ooh, we got the toy to make. We got some screwdrivers. We got the toys. And some stickers.
Wow.
So let's go ahead and
So this is, show me the box.
the box is received.
A tool set. Okay, and show me the other side of the box behind. What do you see? Okay, it shows you all the tools that you have. So you have to build your toolbox and then you can put all your tools inside.
Yep, so I'm going to build it by myself and see if I need any help. Oh, this is again, we have this tools.
Do you know what kind of tool is it?
It's a, I don't know what it's called. So we'll put that overhead. We already did that. This, I don't know what it's called. This is wooden. And this is part of the balloon. I'm not doing it right now. And we got some another one. A scrape. A tweezer. We got some screwdrivers, some of this. And this, we have it.
Oh, a knife.
We have some screwdrivers. We have some wood. We have a ruler and a saw.
Wow.
Let's go ahead and let's build it. Okay, I finished making my toolbox and I'm going to show you how much tools I could put in. I'm going to show you all the tools first. We have a drill, a saw,
A wrench,
a wrench,
a ruler.
ruler.
Show me the ruler how it works.
You just pull this.
Oh. And if you press in the middle, it goes back. Yes, good. You have to press hard. It's okay, I will do it after. What else do you have in your toolbox?
I have a knife.
A utility knife. Okay.
Kids should not use, but it's just fake. We have some
Pliers.
pliers,
A wrench.
screwdriver, and these little things in case something gets lost.
They are little screwdriver.
Yep.
Okay. So, was it easy to build?
Yes, it was so easy.
Okay. And now you have this extra. Oh, you forgot the ruler.
The ruler too.
Yes. So now you have all these extra
Yep.
pieces.
And I'm gonna show you how I am gonna build it.
Okay. So you put a screw and that on the other side you will block it with the pink. Did you put the pink behind? And now you need your tools. Okay. And then on these big pieces you can use a bigger screw. Oh, nice. Do you like this toy?
But it's not working.
Yes, it's working because you need to tighten it a little bit more. The pink pieces, the light pink, you need to turn it. So like that it doesn't move anymore. You hold the one at the back and you turn the one inside. And then it don't move anymore. So what do you think about this toy, Maylene? Okay. Do you think it can be something good for Christmas?
Yeah. Maybe we could put it for Santa Claus.
Wow. And do you think your brother they will like it too?
I think it's only for girls.
Why?
Because it's pink.
No, it's not just pink. It's rainbow color. And I think Julie would like the rainbow color. So maybe you can share it with him?
Maybe not.
Why?
I mean, yes, I think
Ah.
so.
Because you are a nice sister?
Yeah. Maybe he would love it. Maybe he wouldn't. Maybe he would.
No, I think he will love it.
Yeah, because it's pink. By the way, his favorite color is pink.
So,
Like me, my favorite color is pink.
so you see, I'm sure he will like it. Okay, it's time to say bye-bye. You will finish to decorate your toolbox.
Bye. And after when it's done, I'll show you how I build it.
Okay, bye-bye, Maylin. Bye-bye, friends.